So, good morning. Walk around the city has a very different atmosphere than last night. But it's a beautiful day, the sun is shining, it's nice and warm. I'm on my way to make my own chopsticks because I thought, when I'm here, gotta do something touristy and cheesy. That'll be a fun souvenir to have. And a good way to start the day after the hectic from yesterday. So, a brief little walk through the city and then we'll make our own chopsticks. The same place as we were last night, with all the little neon lights, tiny little bars, lady that was singing and dancing. Just got myself some breakfast. At least I think I did. Because obviously I have no idea what all the little signs say. But there's fruit on it, so I'm sure there's some sort of fruit in there, so it'll be fine. I was expecting a smoothie. Turns out it's more like juice with very big bits. Bit weird. Taste.
This tool, this is called a kami. So a kami is a traditional Japanese prisoner. Alright, so go ahead and keep cutting until it's evenly flat against the board.
Around with you in a living room, because today is such a special day and I just wanna celebrate with you, It only comes around once a year and I just wanna be right here. Cause it's all about you and everything that you do.
So just finished making the chopsticks. I'm now walking from Shinjuku to Shibuya, where we'll have a look at the busiest intersection in the world, apparently. I'm gonna have some lunch there, probably do some shopping on the way, see that we find some nice more souvenirs, because you can never have too many of those, I guess. And it's just beautiful walking around the city. It's about an hour's walk, so it's perfect. Just stretch your legs, get a little bit of a feel of the city outside of the main touristy areas. So I didn't want to take the little train there.
ご案内します。
So after a full day of walking, a total of about 15 kilometers through Shibuya, Shinjuku, the super busy intersection, did some shopping in some shopping areas, did some racing at like a sim racing center, had a lovely barbecue dinner, which was great, had drinks at beautiful places, walked around the temple, got some pictures of the cherry blossoms, trying to squeeze everything in one day. And on the 30th floor, there should be a bar with a nice view, so that's where we're heading now. And taking a look outside, see what we can see there.